Hi guys, it's Mrs. Torre again reading with you, and I've been wondering, have you ever had the hiccups? I often get the hiccups and I don't know how to get rid of them. Today I have a book that's talking about skeleton hiccups, and we're going to see all the different tricks that it tries to get rid of the hiccups. This book is written by Margie Coiler and illustrated by S.D. Schindler. There's a skeleton. So Skeleton woke up. Hic, hic. He had the hiccups. Hic, hic. So he went in, took a shower, see if the shower would help. It's still hic, hic. He brushed his teeth. Hic, hic. He polished his bones, and he still had the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. He tried to get distracted by carving a pumpkin. Hic, hic, hic. He went outside and he raked some leaves. He played with Ghost. They're playing catch. Hic, hic. Ghost told Skeleton, hold your breath. Hic, hic. That didn't work. He said, eat some sugar. Hic, hic. Didn't work. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Does he have eyeballs? What do you think? Nope. Anyway, the hiccups keep going. Drink some water. Upside down. Have you tried that one? I have. Doesn't work. Ghost made a face and said, boo, to Skeleton. He tried to scare him. Ghost face isn't scary, is it? Look at that. But nothing worked. Hic, hic. The hiccups, they just stayed with him. Then Ghost got smart. He was thinking, and he's looking for something. He found a mirror and held it up to Skeleton. What do you think is going to happen? Skeleton screamed, looking at his face. And the hiccups left. Hic, hic, hic. They're gone. They all jumped away. Hooray! Wasn't that fun? Now you know all the different things you can try and see if they work for you. Bye.